Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about if the HP17 CUDA Dari Xiaomi is worth it. Let's head into it. Xiaomi. If we talk about the Xiaomi brand in the Redmi class, which is under the Redmi Note, of course, we'll immediately focus on its affordable price. Especially at this time, Xiaomi has released the Redmi 9T, which has an affordable price. Xiaomi has also equipped this one device with specifications that are quite high in its class. What is this device like? The Xiaomi Redmi 9T smartphone that came to the daily social testing table has a gray or carbon gray color. Judging from the overall camera layout, the shape is very similar to its brother, who will break away from Xiaomi, namely the Poco M3. The Redmi 9T is like the Poco M3, which has been changed to a back case with an ultra-wide camera. Also make sure to write your thoughts in the comment section.
The Xiaomi Redmi 9T is a budget device from the brand, with some impressive specifications and affordable pricing.
Xiaomi Redmi 9T. The Redmi 9T is also one of the first entry-level devices brought by Xiaomi to have a camera with a 48-megapixel resolution. It seems that the 48-megapixel camera module already has an affordable price because high resolutions such as 64 megapixels and 108 megapixels have started to be widely used in mainstream devices. After the Redmi 9T and Poco M3, it seems that many entry-level devices will use this high-resolution camera. The specs of the Redmi 9T are also super similar to the Poco M3. Redmi 9T uses Snapdragon 662, which is still used by devices that cost more than 2.8 billion rupiah. Xiaomi itself dares to sell it at a price of 2.4 million rupiah. The Redmi 9T also fills the entry-level class with a very large battery. This, of course, makes a device with a full HD Plus screen that can last up to 2 days. This is also one of the selling points of a device called a Big Battery Champion. Unboxing. This is what you can get in the sales package of the Xiaomi Redmi 9T. Xiaomi itself includes a charger with 22.5 watts for the device that only supports 18 watts. This is because the price of a 22.5 watt charger can be obtained more affordable and can be used to charge other devices.
There's also support for 18-watt fast charging, and you can use the 22.5-watt charger that comes in the box.
The rear design of the Xiaomi Redmi 9T is indeed quite different from its brothers. On the case made of plastic, there's a fairly large Redmi writing logo. This is similar to the Poco X2 Pro, which has a large logo in the middle, but on Redmi, the writing is on the lower left side. Xiaomi Redmi 9T. Back. The Xiaomi Redmi 9T screen has the same 2340 by 1080 resolution as its brother, Redmi 9. This IPS-type screen is protected with Gorilla Glass 3. With this resolution in hard glass, of course, this entry-level smartphone feels like a mainstream class. The screen is also still getting additional protection in each form of anti-scratch layer. On this screen, Xiaomi still uses a water drop design, which is a small notch. This means that there will be a hole in the upper left corner of the screen, which is a camera for selfies. This design also doesn't waste the screen, because around the hole in the camera, the screen still provides a view and can be touched. Xiaomi Redmi 9T below. The camera placement design on the Xiaomi Redmi 9T is also quite beautiful. There are 4 cameras on the back with a flash designed in a box with 2 different colors. The camera with a resolution of 48 megapixels itself is in the middle, while the macro camera is placed alone and looks quite small. At the top, found an infrared sensor, 3.5mm audio port, microphone, and additional speakers to provide stereo sound. The volume up and down and the power button are placed on the right side, and at the bottom, there's a USB-C slot, speaker, and main microphone. The Nano SIM and micro SD slots are located on the left. Xiaomi Redmi 9T camera. The images produced by the camera of the Xiaomi Redmi 9T do look quite good. However, often the dynamic range of the camera looks a bit messy when the light is strong enough. However, in terms of noise and image sharpness, it seems that the Xiaomi Redmi 9T is still the best in the entry-level class. However, when the lighting is bad like at night, never take pictures without the help of an LED flash. Unfortunately, the night mode on this phone produces a poor picture. Even if taken in manual mode, the smartphone can produce pretty good pictures at night. Hopefully, Xiaomi fixes its night mode algorithm so that this device can take better pictures. The selfie camera on the smartphone can also produce decent pictures. Even so, the image still produces noise that is quite noticeable in dark areas. The level of sharpness is also quite good, although the details are not at all captured clearly. Even so, the results can still be used when taking certain moments. The existing macro camera only has a resolution of 2 megapixels. Like most smartphones on the market, the results are a little less than satisfactory. Even so, the results can still be used for some shooting needs. Then what about the 48 megapixel resolution? Is it just a gimmick? Well, you can say yes and no. Yes, because this resolution cannot be used at any time, and the results are also not as good when you're using a 12 megapixels. No, because there are times when we can take better detailed pictures than when using 12 megapixels.
You get 4 cameras. A 48 megapixel main cam, that 8 megapixel ultra wide cam, a 2 megapixel macro camera, and a depth sensor.
What do you think about this new device? Do you like it? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.